Okay. So we just start for today meeting right now. So good afternoon, guys, for all coming for India and all the achiever for the V1 level and the V2 level. So today we'll talk about the few topics. So let's start about the first topic that you have. The section provide a deep analyzing of the HHA ecosystem value. So before I start this topic right now, I will use another phone to join in, and then I show you all guys into the HHA for the regarding for the previous plan for GMG right now. So wait me a moment, I will join into another phone so that I can show you. Uh, so wait me a moment, I will share screen right now. Okay. Right. So first of all, we going to the DAPP tab of the GMG first. And then we will strap to this page and the top, you see the cells, right? So after you key in the cells, we're getting him here. This is a HHA private seal. So what is the meaning of the private seal? Like some the ICO, additional coin offering. And then this ICO, right, is only for the GMG member only. And then you see what the thing. The GMG platform, they issue the ecosystem of the token HFA. And then the price will be 0.1 USDT per token. And then the total supplies is only 1 billion. And then it's prepared to listing on the OKX. So the OKX is the China largest centralized action center. And then this private sales is reserved by place for the early partner, which means all the GMG member can be asset in the private sale. So like the previous project, we have the private ICO, like the seed round, angel round, and the A round. So in the beginning of part, we are entering on the angel round. So you can see in here, when you're using the GMG to participate in the ICO part, right, you have a discount from that. So you can see in the now until the end of the month, 80 of the July until end of the July, you use the GMG, will get 20% of the discount. And then you will see coming up next in next month, 1st of April until the 7th of the April, 1st of the August until the 7th of the August, had 80% only. So try to imagine here. So this coin going to the OKX will be a 10 times, 20 times, or even 50 times. So we don't say much, we just say in the 20 time only. So you see in here, it's only 20%, right, for the first round. How about the second round? It's 80%. It's less than a 2%. But this 2% is only when the price is 0.1. No increase, no decrease. So how about increase to a 10 times, 20 times? We not say about too much. We say about 10 to 20. So this less than a 2%. When you jump to the 20 times, they will become 200%. We jump to 10 times, we have become 100% already. So this is the most important thing. And then these are HHA projects from the early of the stage is only can offering for those GMG member. So you can see more closer to the listed day, the discount will be lesser, starting from 20%, 80, 60, 40, 20, and then the last of the period will be 4% only. After going to the October, that will be a 0%, which means you only can participate in the HHA token ICO part using the original price, which means 0.1 equal to 1 USDT price. So you can see.
Yeah, let me convert into Hindi, sir, because
Sure, no
many
problem for
members are
that.
here.
Yes,
Yeah.
sure.
दोस्तों ये जो भी जैकब सर ने बताया ये HHA इनका टोकन है और बेसिकली ये क्या है कि जो जितने भी ज्वाइन लोग हैं उनके लिए ये जूम मीटिंग रखी गई है और ये टेक्निकल जूम है। तो ये अभी HHA के बारे में बहुत लोग जानना चाह रहे थे, तो ये HHA टोकन है जिसको ये OKX जो चाइना का जो सबसे बड़ा एक्सचेंज है उसके ऊपर ये लॉन्च करने वाले हैं। और अभी 20% ऑफ चल रहा है, लेकिन धीरे धीरे जैसे जैसे ये आगे बढ़ेगा, मतलब ये GMG से ही इसको बाई कर सकते हैं। GMG मिनिमम 10 GMG से आप इसमें पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हैं। जो भी आपका पे आउट का आया है, चाहे ROE वाला GMG आया है, उससे आप इसमें पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हैं। और जैसे जैसे इसका समय नजदीक आएगा, ये वैसे वैसे डिस्काउंट कम होता जाएगा। जैसे अभी 20% डिस्काउंट है, बाद में 18% रहेगा, 14, और ऐसे ऐसे करके 0% डिस्काउंट में आएगा। और ये अक्टूबर तक इनका वो चलेगा, उसके बाद इसकी OKX पे लिस्ट होने वाला है। तो इसमें हम 2 टाइम से लेकर 20 टाइम्स तक का हम रिटर्न एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं। प्लीज कंटिन्यू जेकब सर।
Yes, so this is one of my accounts, so I can share on downstairs. So total of my team already have 1,232.63 HSH have been participant. So they are using of the total of the private sales is 98.61 USDT to participate in here. So I will show you the second account of mine. So wait me a moment. So this is the proof. I am using this is the minimum of the participant in this project is 10 GMG. So in the yesterday I have going to 12 2 times 10 GMG and 10 GMG, and then the total of the C of my personal private sales performance have total of near 48 of the USPT, and then I have been get 591.43 of the HFA, and then the team of the HFA have total 294 of the HFA. So this is the easy to participate in here. So you just click the join the sales, and then you key in. And then you can see when you're using the GMG to participate in this ICO part, you will get 20% discount until end of this month. After that, in the 1st of the August, will be 60 or 80%. And then coming up now is 60 and then 40. So here you can type 10 GMG, and then you can choose whether you is in the platform, or which means in the on-chain. So the platform, which means the GMG token still on your debt that haven't been withdrawn. So which means that is in the platform. That in the on-chain, which means the coin already been withdrawn, and then in your TP wallet or the decentralized wallet have you been used. So you just click the confirm, and then you can join in the private sales of the HHA. Okay, so you may translate.
Yeah. सर ये HHA का जो बता रहे हैं सर कि ये अभी क्या है कि GMG के थ्रू मिल रहा है, और बाद में ये धीरे धीरे इसका डिस्काउंट कम होगा, और आपका प्लेटफॉर्म पे GMG पड़ा हो, जो भी मतलब विड्रॉल जिसको आपने नहीं किया उससे भी कर सकते हैं, या ऑन चेन जिसको विड्रॉल कर लिया उससे भी कर सकते हैं। और बाद में ये USDT से ही मिलेगा। अक्टूबर तक का रोड मैप है, वो आप देख सकते हैं। आप अपनी अगर ID में जाएंगे तो आपको पूरी चीजें दिख भी जाएंगी। प्लीज सर कंटिन्यू।
Yes, and then the today price is how much? I give you take a look first. For the today GMG price, already go for 2.3681. So when the price is keep increase, and then you get much more for the private sales limited. So before that, everyone is having the GMG. So the having your GMG have two way. First is withdraw, and then the second way is the join on the ICO part of the HHA. So GMG is more than one use of the token. It's a multi of the user. So first, you can going to withdraw and then get your profit. And then second, you can keep it and then wait for the price to increase because in the beginning of the part of the project in the May of the 21, the price is $1. And then in today, the price already increased to 2.3 already, which means in the 2 months of the time already increased for 130%. So this is the first way. You can get the token immediately and then you sell immediately, get the profit of each of every day from the 0.9%. Or you keep it and then you sell it in the higher price and then you earn much more than 0.9%. And then the second way is using in here. So this is the only way you use the GMG to participate in the project ICO of the HHA. So it's the multi-function of the token. And then for the HHA, right, it's other people cannot be enjoyed. This is only exclusive from the GMG member only.
ये दोस्तों सिर्फ जीएमजी जो पार्टिसिपेशन है उन्हीं के लिए एचएचए है। एचएचए आउटसाइड मार्केट में ये किसी को नहीं दे रहे हैं, तो ये हमारे लिए एक अपॉर्चुनिटी है और इसमें कोई कंपल्शन नहीं है कि आप इसको एचएचए को लीजिए। देयर इज अपॉर्चुनिटी, अगर आप लेना चाहते हैं तो जीएमजी अपना डाल के ले सकते हैं। प्लीज सर।
Right.
ये जिसकी आवाज आ रही है प्लीज अपना वॉइस म्यूट कर दीजिए प्लीज।
Wait, I'm so wait me a minute. I mute them first. Remember to pause and I mute all. So, sir, when you want to speak up, you just unmute your mic. So let me continue first.
You continue.
Yes. So you can see the screen right now. So first of all, I want to explain to you guys what is the HHA. So you can go into a Twitter that this is the GMG Twitter, and then this is a post by who? It's post by the NHN. It's our strategy partner. The HHA token is issued by this, the Howard AI. So you can go to the Howard there, and then you click on here. This is the Howard of the website. So let me explain about what is the HHA token is about. So Howard AI is have to turn the great idea into the real blockchain project. It's use the AI to automate the entire process, including what? The due diligence, and then the token of the design, and then the compliance and the exchange of the listed. Yes, you may continue. You want to translate or
ये
let me finish it?
एचएचए क्या है कि ये एएनआई ब्लॉकचेन के द्वारा वो है, और ये हार्वर्ड एआई है जो कि एआई को यूज करेगा ब्लॉकचेन के अंदर। ये उनके पार्टनरशिप का टोकन है और जो जीएमजी को एक्सक्लूसिव मिला हुआ है। Please.
Yes, and then Howard AI has reduced the project launch time for the periods like 9 months, 10 months, or 1 year to just in short time, which means in the 6 weeks, with lowering the cost more than a 70%.
और ये हार्वर्ड एआई को मिला हुआ है। लॉन्च टाइम इस प्रोजेक्ट का 9 महीने से 10 महीने है या 1 ईयर है। और मतलब अगर शॉर्ट की बात करें तो इसका जो कॉस्टिंग है 70% मतलब ये कवर कर लेंगे विद इन 6।
Yes, and friend from the investor, right? So the Howard AI, for the Howard AI is offer the access to the high quality of the project, the stacking reward, and the DAO governance, and then allowing the committee to participate in the decision making. The ecosystem is powered by the HHA token. So this Howard AI, the token name is HHA. And then the token of the HHA is used for the platform, the asset, the stacking, payment, governance, and the buyback of the reward.
ये जो टोकन है एचएचए ये यूज करेंगे ये अपनी पेमेंट गवर्नेंस के लिए, स्टेकिंग के लिए और बायबैक रिवार्ड के लिए भी इसको यूज किया जाएगा।
Yes, as more projects are incubate, right, the more fees are generated, leading to more the token buyback and the strong ecosystem to grow. This create a positive cycle that benefit both for the platform and the committee.
ये एक स्मॉल प्रोजेक्ट है जो अभी इसके इंक्यूबेशन मतलब पीरियड में है, और इस तरीके के इकोसिस्टम में बहुत सारे स्ट्रॉन्ग प्रोजेक्ट को इंट्रोड्यूस किया जाएगा जिससे कि एक पॉजिटिव साइकिल चलता रहे और प्लेटफॉर्म और जो कम्युनिटी है उसका बेनिफिट उठा पाए।
Yes. Okay, you can see in here. So the Howard AI is already have complete a successful seed round, which means the first round is rising the 3 million at the US 30 million of the volatility. So it is expect token generate event, the TGE, which means have fully dilute of the FTV of total of 100 million. So you can see in here is 1 billion of the HSH have been total of the supply.
जो टोटल इसकी सप्लाई है ये टीजी मतलब टोकन जनरेशन इवेंट में ये करेंगे, जिसमें से 3 मिलियन और 30 मिलियन की वैलिडिटी रहेगी और आउट ऑफ 100 मिलियन ये है.
So the How AI is supported by the well-known the venture capital firm. So include the Vantage Angel Network, the Matella Venture, the partner, and then the packet of the VC, Skyline Venture, and the B strategy. So in here you can see all the detail. So you can see to have 30% of the committee of the ecosystem, 50% is for the private investor, 20% for the team and advisor, 10% is for the public sales, and then 20% is the incubate of the fund, 5% is the liquidity. So just now I have been mentioned, the total rise is 3 million, and the round of the validation is already SL to 30 million. So this is all the investor I just now mentioned about.
यस, ये इसके अंदर जो मेजर वेंचर कैपिटलिस्ट हैं, स्काईलाइन वेंचर्स और बी स्ट्रेटेजी इसके वेंचर कैपिटलिस्ट हैं, और 30% ये कमेटी में है, 50% प्राइवेट इन्वेस्टर के लिए, 20% टीम और एडवाइजर के लिए रखा हुआ है, 10% जिसमें से पब्लिक सेल के लिए है 20% में से, और 20% इज द इंक्यूबेटर फंड है, 5% इज द लिक्विडिटी. सो जस्ट दे हैव मेंशन टोटल लिक्विडिटी, मतलब जो इनको रेज करना है 3 मिलियन टोकन सेल करके रेज करना है, और ऑलरेडी $30 मिलियन इन्होंने मार्केट से उठा दिया है.
Yes. So in the summary of this part, how AI combine the AI, the blockchain, and the community governance to build a smarter, faster, and a more transparent Web3 ecosystem.
ये कंबाइन एआई है, ब्लॉकचेन है और मोर ट्रांसपेरेंट वेब थ्री सिस्टम इकोसिस्टम है.
Yes, so this is the part I want to explain about the Howard AI. So the second is, this is about the topic first. So the AI trading, right? So the question is how and where to do the trading, and can we also be trade? The answer is definitely yes. So,
एक क्वेश्चन था पूरे सभी का कि एआई ट्रेडिंग सिस्टम में चल रहा है तो सिस्टम कहाँ से जनरेट कर रहा है, तो उसके लिए जेकब सर, कैन यू शो द हाउ इज ट्रेडिंग इज वर्किंग, एआई ट्रेडिंग इज वर्किंग ऑन.
yes. Now I share the screen first. So yeah. I reclaim the first.
मिस्टर बुधानिया जी हैं यहाँ पे? राकेश बुधानिया जी?
जी सर, जी
तो सर इसको समझ लीजिए आप, क्योंकि आपकी टीम में ज्यादा क्वेश्चन थे एआई ट्रेडिंग को लेके.
बिल्कुल, मेरे 5-6 क्वेश्चन है. अभी मैं क्या है कि जयपुर मीटिंग ही दे रहा हूँ, तो मेरे साथ में काफी कम्युनिटी अभी ऐड है, तो उनके जितने भी क्वेश्चन है वो मैंने लिख रखे हैं. एक एक क्वेश्चन अपन क्लियर कर लेंगे, तो सभी के क्वेश्चन वो क्लियर हो जाएंगे.
अभी एआई ट्रेडिंग बता रहे हैं जेकब सर, प्लीज कंटिन्यू.
Yes, I share the screen first for the AI trading.